hello home bakers. I'm going to show you how I made this basketball t-shirt so that you know how to make this when you are fondant decorating at home. First things first, when you are working with fondant, you need to have prepared your fondant. Check out on the screen how to prepare your fondant. Now, fondant decoration is easy when you know what to do. So make sure that your fondant is nicely soft, well kneaded, and then you want to roll it flat. Not too thin, but thick enough. And here I'm using a simple cutter, and you just press down and you get the outline of your shape. If you have any bumps, you can use your fondant smoother to smoothing it off. If the edges are rough, you can use a fondant tool to do that. Now here you can see that I'm dabbing some glue at the edges. So edible glue is perfect for sticking bits of fondant to each other. And I have a long white sausage of fondant which I've created by basically just rolling on the surface. And this is what I used to make the piping on the t-shirt. If you are a beginner at fondant decorating, or you would like to learn how to make a fondant cake at home, then check out the fondant playlist. I have lots of videos that will help you if you like to know how to do fondant work. It's basically a fondant guide for beginners. So here I'm doing the fine detailed work, and when I'm doing detailed work with fondant, I like to use my fondant tools. It helps me to get in the nook and crannies, and it also prevents me from damaging or making indentations that I don't intend to. So these are tools that you should have if you're going to be working with fondant, and they're very inexpensive to buy, so get yourself a set. If you would like to learn more about fondant decorating, how to make a fondant cake at home, fondant making made easy, I have lots of videos in my fondant playlist, so you should really check that out. It's quite useful. In this instance, I'm making a basketball shirt, but you can make just about any shape that you can imagine. All you have to do is find the right cutter to cut out your shape, just like I've done here. So you see the possibilities are endless. I would recommend that you make your fondant decoration at least 2 days or even more before you need them, so you give it time to harden. So my fondant has hardened, and now I'm going to be decorating the fondant with edible writing pen. Now these are great to have. They work well to write on fondant or on royal icing, and actually you can write on buttercream and ganache which is hardened. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.